Hi! Today we are going to paint an elephant. That's right. In case you're wondering what it's up today, it's all about the elephant. So sit back, enjoy, maybe get a canvas out yourself and follow along and see what it's like to paint a really vibrant, colorful, amazing elephant. Sometimes you just gotta, block out all the brown. So now we're gonna start adding the thick colors. Because this is all about the amazing thickness, the movement. It should be like the elephant moving forward. Strong, poised, movement, knife, thick colors. It's all about the thickness and the richness and the movement. And that's what we're going to be after today. The thick, rich movement. Let's get at it. This is my favorite knife. It's actually just a mixing knife that I like to use for about everything. Mixing, stroking. I do have a bunch of other ones, but I love this one. This is like the greatest feeling in the world. I can highly recommend it. Just a couple of euros. When you're really getting into your work, right? Now it's taking a little bit of form, but this is like the weird part where it's like doesn't look like quite anything yet, but it's kind of like something. It's kind of like all blended into each other. But you see starting to take some form here and here, and start adding a lot more highlight colors, a lot of greens, a lot of blues. Well, blues I used on the bottom, but greens, oranges, turquoise. Just having fun with all the colors. I do like to take the knife and scrape into there. I think scraping is kind of cool, you know. Just having fun with the form, you know. So when you scrape some of the paint back out, makes it fun. So there you have it, the elephant. It's great, right? I love it. I love the way these dynamic lines are going completely opposite than the elephant coming forward. You know, it's like stoic, still, slowly lumbering forward. Then you have these dynamic lines cutting through it, because this is a moment in time, right? This is like when all the colors came together to create this one special moment. And that's what we're going for. These special moments, this incredible moment in the chaos when all these colors come together and bring something out. And I kind of like that you don't see it at first. It's kind of fun, right? Because you're like, sometimes I've had people looking at this here. I asked a few people about the picture the other day when I was still in the middle of it, and I had someone say, oh, I don't really see the elephant. And I think this is great for me. When I pointed it out, they were like, oh, of course, there it is. And that's even the more exciting part about it, right? Because you can interpret it any way you want. You can have your own feelings and your own imagery towards it. But at the end of the day, it's still my elephant. So thanks for following along. Hope you enjoyed it. And, you know, don't forget to like me, subscribe, tell a friend, or not. Make a comment below. It's all cool. Elephants, right? It's cool. So stay tuned. Next time we'll maybe do a fox, a rabbit, or maybe a flower again. I don't know. Maybe there's some like swords in our future. It's a good day to be alive. You matter. Take care.